Hi your Fita Chips, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to see your beautiful face once again here with me. Today I am doing a Ulta haul. I don't think I have ever done a haul this massive in my channel. I'm going to show you guys the goodies that I picked up at Ulta, products that I have been picking up for the last 2 weeks, and then products that I have been receiving from companies. Extremely blessed for that. And before we get started, I do want to clarify, I want to make a disclaimer. I am not trying to show off the products that I have. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching hauls on YouTube, well, besides mukbangs, because I really love mukbangs. So I love watching hauls on YouTube, and I know you guys share the same passion as me for makeup, so I thought I would show you guys all the items that I got at Ulta and then extra goodies that I have been receiving and then getting for the past 2 weeks. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get started with the haul. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the Ulta bag. Now, when I show you guys all these items, please do not freak out. I think every single item that is in here is high-end. You guys know that I would literally beat my face with drugstore high-end. It really doesn't matter to me. I'm not picky. You guys know that I'm all about saving money and looking good on a budget, but you guys probably don't know about this about me. I still do freelance on the side. So basically what that means, before I started YouTube, I took a whole course of 6 months of how to do makeup, and then I started building my clientele, and that's how I was making extra money on the side. Now then, I decided to make YouTube my full-time job, and I'm so blessed for that. And I thought it was kind of rude to just leave my clients and just be like, I do YouTube now, so like I can't do your makeup. And I was like, girl, no. So I still keep my OG clients. Here and there I'll pick up like 2 to 3 new clients. There's people that prefer high-end makeup versus drugstore, so I'm like, girl, you pay me, like I'll give you what you want. Every 2 months I go to Ulta and I restock on items that I need on my kit so I can do their makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and just pick out randomly. So today was the 21-day sale, which is why I also went. It was the last day actually, and I got the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Now this mascara, I believe it retails for $24 and I got it for $13, so half off price. I was like, yes please. So I got this one. Then I got the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Mist Water. This one was literally $11.50. When I saw this, I was like, oh, I was shook. I was like, yes, can I snatch like 3? But then I thought, like, it's not fair to leave more for the rest of the girls, so I only picked up 1. Girl, I cannot believe this was literally $11. Like, I was shook to the core. I was like, have to snatch this, and it always comes in handy. It never hurts to have this. And then the other thing that I picked up very randomly, I got these Ulta Beauty Tropical Fruit Bath Fizz for my son. My son loves these little things when he takes a shower, so I got those for him. Then I picked up the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. Now everyone has been talking about this sponge on YouTube every time I watch hauls. I think I'm literally the last one to like even introduce you to this. Everyone really talks about it. They say they love it. I really liked how it's very like slanted and flat from both sides. I think it'll be really good when I do like foundation and then when I contour. So I picked this one up. Then I got the Becca Eye Bright Corrector. I have been living for this right here. So this literally will cover any dark circles or any darkness that you have on your face. It's so good. Like, it's like a peachy undertone. This one right here. Really love it. Amazing. Highly recommend it. And then another thing that I picked up is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This one's oil free. It's this one right here. Now you might say, Peta, why did you get 2 setting sprays? This one, I typically use it on brides or when they're gonna like party all night. I just trust this one a little bit more when it comes to like makeup all night. When they just like basically just come to me just because they want to do their makeup for the heck of it. I mostly use the MAC, but I think I'm low-key gonna keep it for myself. And then I got this Tweezerman Pushy and Nail Cleaner. Now this is not for my clients, but this is for me. Since we're talking about manicures, guys, I went to the nail salon 2 days ago. And I tried this new place. Usually where I go, they charge me $55, and I had heard this place was like $40. So I go and I get my nails done, and look what happened to me. Do you guys see that? That is so crooked. Girl, I swear, I looked at the lady and I said, can you take this off? My nails are crooked. You know what she said to me? Honey, your nails are not crooked. That's how your finger goes. I said, oh, what did you say? My finger does not go that way. I was like, excuse me, my fingers are not crooked. Like, take these nails off and my fingers are straight. So I had to pay $40. I mean, I'm kind of mean when I get upset, but I'm not that mean. So I just paid her. And she still looked at me like if I was gonna give her a tip, and I was like, girl, you ain't getting no tip. You know what you did. So since we're talking about manis, I just had to share that with you because I was so devastated that whole day. Like, I didn't even want to point nowhere because it just, it sucks. Okay, and then I picked up a Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in Light. This little puppy right here. And then I got brushes. I got 3 brushes. I got a IT Airbrush Angled Liner brush, this one right here. Then I got the Anastasia brush 7B dual ended angle brush, and then I got a Radiance fan by IT as well, this one right here. Love it. Really good. A lot of people actually like their highlight a little bit more natural, so I use that one to just go like at the very top, not too much, just a little bit, just a tiny little bit. Last 3 products that I have, I picked up the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. Looks like this one, super pretty. Love this. It has kind of like peachy undertones. I just get different variety of makeup just because clients have different preferences. Some like more natural, some want J-Lo, some want like really dramatic. So I'm like, I gotta have everything, girl, in my kit. Then I picked up this Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. This, I use it on literally, you don't have to be like aging already, and girl, I started using anti-aging stuff already, like, and I'm just 20 and I'm like, no, gotta take care of my skin. It's this one. It's so pretty, like the color, beautiful. So this one I use it kind of like as the base, and then I go ahead and add the color corrector and then the concealer. And last but not least, I got the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo, and I got this one in soft brown. I got it in soft brown because I do have a lot of dark colors already for brows, and I needed something a little bit light. So I picked up all these things from Ulta, and then these are things that I picked up the last time that I went to Sephora. First, I'm going to show you guys what I got because it's going to be my birthday on April 14. Super excited for that. I'm going to be turning 21. Whoop, whoop, big 21. Bite Beauty Insider, and this one was for my birthday, and it comes with, let's see, it comes with a lipstick, a lip crayon, and a agave lip balm. It looks like this one. I loved it. Super pretty. It was either this or Glam Glow, but I was like, girl, I am so all about makeup. My skincare can wait. And then I picked up, obviously, my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This is my holy grail. If I don't have this powder on my face or in my makeup, I am like pissed because it is that good. And then I picked up a new foundation. It's a Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. Now with this foundation, like I put it on and I'm like, excuse me, like who am I? Like full coverage? Yes, baby. It's so full coverage. It's so creamy and thick. So if you don't really like thick foundations, then this is definitely not for you. But if you like very full coverage, like girl, like you're like, I'm catfishing you right now, then this is the way to go. It's so good. And I got it in Tan Honey. I used to be medium tan honey. That was a little bit too dark for me, but now I just got tan honey and I really love it. This one, I did not pick it up at Sephora, but I picked it up at Ulta the very last time I went, and it's the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Holy moly, this thing right here was $4 and it had me shook to the core as well. I'm actually wearing it underneath my eye area, and when I put it on, I'm just like, Kim K, like so good. It makes you look like so bright from your under eye, and then it just makes your contour look like a little bit more slimmer. Loved it. The thing I'm going to show you, I did not get this at Ulta or Sephora, but then here is where I start showing you guys the goodies that I picked up. These Lily lashes, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Can you guys believe these lashes were $9.99? They come in the style Miami and in the style Luxe. I'm actually wearing Luxe on my eyes today and I feel very pretty. I had never owned a pair of expensive lashes. I kid you not, all of my lashes were Ardell lashes, $3 to $4, and I'll be like, whatever, like $3 to $4, it's okay. These puppies right here, I'm just like, oh my god, where are my lashes? I have to put them, like, tuck them in and put them in like their little case because they're super expensive. Now these were only $9.99, but literally every single pair of lashes that she sells is like $20 and up, and I got both of the pairs plus a tweezer for $9.99. So that was definitely a steal. So I love this package. I bought 2. I already used the other ones, but I thought I would share this with you guys. So if you guys go to Marshall's, I'm gonna show you guys, because some of you guys don't believe me. If you guys go to Marshall's, literally $9.99, you guys have to go ahead and check it out because it is so good. Now we're gonna move on to the other goodies that I have gotten sent. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, I put my hair a little back because it's starting to get a little hot in here. I got the Morphe Life Glam brushes. If you guys are not familiar with this subscription, basically you get anywhere from 3 to 8 brushes every month for $19.99. And lately the subscription has been like the bomb.com. It has been getting so much better. I really like it because you can basically skip a month or you can replace brushes, and I just love it because growing a brush collection can be like really expensive. Like those IT brushes, girl, I don't even want to tell you how much they were. I guess I got already so used to the Morphe Me that every single time I do the math for brushes and I'm like, dang, that's expensive. So basically I really love these and I recommend them because you're paying $19.99 from 3 to 8 brushes. It's really good. And also if you guys want to go ahead and sign up, I'm gonna leave my link down below. If you use my link to sign up, you get an extra free brush the first month that you sign up. So that's really good. I'm gonna show you guys the brushes. I actually don't even know what I'm supposed to get this month. So I got a Pro Tapered Powder brush, which is this huge one right here. Now the quality of these brushes, dang. And I love the packaging of this month. It's the same one as last month. Look, oh, they look so bougie. This is a Morphe R2. It's a Pro Tapered Powder brush. I have this Small Flat Angled Contour E47. Wait, why are these different though? This is like rose gold and this is like a gunmetal one. Anyways, I like it. It's a Morphe E47. Ooh, this to like do my nose contour. Girl, I'm gonna be looking like I got a rhinoplasty, but I really didn't. And this is the E11 brush, but this one's the E17 brush, and this one is the E11 brush. You get an angled brow, crease, precision, and blender. This one's for your brows, and this one is for angled precision. Ooh! So I got 4 brushes for this month, literally for eyes, nose, and face, and my brows. This is a really good month. So if you guys still sign up, you guys can still get these brushes. And I'm just amazed. Like, ugh, girl, I didn't even know what brushes I was gonna get, but I'm kind of excited that I got those. Face Story always sends me masks, and I really appreciate it because who doesn't like free masks? And I got literally a huge variety of masks. And I think I'm gonna like have to tell my boyfriend to help me out because I'm not going to be able to use all of these. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is Lupita 2/4. That one right there. I don't know. I think it's a slash. I don't know. But it's that one right there. You guys get a little coupon code. I have been using their masks for a really long time, and I think their subscription is amazing because you literally get so many masks for just a little bit of my money. Alright, I'm super excited to show you guys this. This is a box that my friend just gave me like 2 days ago. Crystal has her own cosmetic line. I met her through online and we have became friends, and we finally met in person yesterday, and she's amazing. She opened up her own cosmetic line. I admire her so much. This is for me to show you guys that dreams come true and never give up and always just keep on going. So this is her packaging. Oh my god, love it. She did like a sarape. If you're Mexican, you know what a sarape is, but if you don't, it's basically like the theme that they put like in blankets, the Mexican theme. She loved everything that's a Mexican theme, so it's all her written in this box. I got 4 palettes. Right there is Amor. Ooh, look at that. Girl, I literally used like almost this whole bottom row. The first one, Amor, and then there is Sol, which Sol is more reds, browns, basically means sun. So you guys will see in a little bit why. It makes sense once you open up the palette, the names make sense. This one right here is Sol. More reds, more browns, more oranges. So this one actually haven't used it. I think she is out of stock. So everything's still proud of her. But I will leave her Instagram cosmetic page linked down below, and then also her online website so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And then this one right here is called Loca Crazy, which makes sense. Look at all those bright colors. And then last but not least, it's, I believe it has to be Luna, which is moon. This one is more blues, purples, grays, black colors. This one is Luna right here. Alrighty, last but not least, it is Profusion. I got this back from Profusion today. And can I just say how I will never forgive Profusion, because Profusion was literally the first PR company that reached out to me, and that means the world to me. So I love Profusion so much, and I'm gonna see what I got in this box. I actually don't even know. They just sent me an email. They're like, Peta, you have a box going your way, and I was like, yay! I love when I get packages or when I order something or when I go to stores because I'm like, oh my god, it's like Christmas. Love it so much. We're gonna open it up. Mix Metal Lips Long Lasting Matte Lip Cream in Nude. Ooh la la, that is totally up my alley. I'm so gonna use this. I have the Strobe and Glow palette. Do I have this palette already? I think I do. I don't know, but it's so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, girl, my highlight's gonna be popping. I thought I was only getting 2 items, but I have 4. Oh my god, girl, you're a little thick over here. This is the Profusion Naturals palette. Side right here of the palette is calling my name. I'm just like, girl, can I use you right now? This is the Eye and Cheek 18 color cheek and blush palette. I think I just have the cheek one. I think it's like the cheek palette, but this one's the Eye and Cheek. Really pretty. So I get like shadows and then for my cheeks and then a shadows and then for my cheeks. Oh, it makes sense. Okay, so basically you get one for your eyes, one for your cheeks, one for your, oh my god, this glare, girl. One for your eyes, one for your cheeks, one for your eyes, one for your cheeks. So really pretty. So these are the items that I got from Profusion. Thank you, Profusion. I love everything that I always get. My room is a hot mess right now and it is actually literally getting hot. I'm super excited because after I'm finished filming this video, I'm gonna go on a date night with my boyfriend. Super excited. I have not been on a date night, I kid you guys not, for like 4 months. I'm always like super busy. My boyfriend's like, can we go on a date? And I'm like, no. I'm like trying to upload a video right now, okay? And so today I decided, I was like, you know what? It's time for me and my boo to go have a date night, and they actually opened a new restaurant by the house. So we're super excited to have like the most beautiful patio. I'm gonna go have a little date night. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. Let me know if you guys like hauls. Like I said, this is not me bragging in any way, shape, or form. I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys all the items that I got because I know you guys love makeup as much as me. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Girl, shake that Laffy Taffy. Oh, that Laffy Taffy. I need all of my pita chips. Well, not all of them because then that'll be too much, but I need at least 2 of my pita chips to just jump through the screen right now and come and help me clean because, girl, this mess right here is just horrible. I think I might just leave it and then just go pretend like everything's okay and then go have my date night. But then I'll come back and then I'll just be boom, back to reality. The mess everywhere. So I think I'll just clean up right now. Another note, how good is my makeup looking right now? Like, damn. Like, I need to show you guys my makeup routine that I have been doing lately because, not to brag, but my makeup has been popping lately. Like, I'm just like shook and I'm like, damn, Pita, where did those skills come from, girl? Like, I didn't know you were that good. Just kidding. But I really do like it. I like how my makeup has been coming out lately, so love it as well. And we're out. I play too much. Bye. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.